right. My last video on how to calculate average was really a roundabout way of doing a very simple process. Okay, so I'm going to show you the better way. So take a look. I made myself a little data table here to keep all my average reaction times together in one place. And this one's hours of sleep. And here we have all the reaction times that correlate to the hours of sleep. I already did 2 hours. There was nobody who got 3 hours. I already did 4 hours. So now I'm going to go to 5 hours. So I'm going to click on the 5 because that is where I want the information to go. And then I come up here. This little symbol, it's a Greek letter, and it's telling us this is where the functions are. So I click on there. I pick the function. I want average. Okay, ladies in my audience, are you following me? All right. And so then I come over here. I pick all of the ones that are associated with 5 hours of sleep. I highlight them. I click return. And there's the average. Voila. It adds them up automatically and divides by the number of participants. The end. I hope. Thank you. Well, bye, ladies. Okay, now I got to stop this video. Why is it not stopping? Well, come on. All right, kids. There it goes.